private managed company in North Germany with 250 employees. We produce more than 150 units of oat flakes and oat flour per day. And now, with more than 50,000 tons per year of grain, we are one of the biggest producer of gluten-free organic products in whole Europe. We have a lot of classic milling equipment, cleaning equipment like indent cylinders, sieving machines, destoners. With the mechanical equipment, we remove big impurities, small impurities and also light impurities. But with all these equipment, we are not able to be gluten-free. Only with the optical sorter we can be sure that we are 100% gluten-free. We have 3 optical sorters in our plant. 2 are working in parallel in our fine cleaning line. They are responsible for removing all impurities from raw oat, for example rye, barley and wheat. And then we have a third optical sorter behind our shelling line. This machine is responsible to remove unshelled kernels, and he double check the input material to be sure everything is gluten-free. It's important when you have 1 year ago, for example, wheat on the same field, you will have still some wheat between the oat. It's a big problem. So storage is a big problem, harvest equipment is a big problem. You use the same harvest equipment for oat harvest, also for wheat or barley harvest, so there can be always contamination. And sometimes they're higher, sometimes they are lower. And I think a company must be able to handle also high contamination. We take every hour a sample during production, and then we bring all sample to our own company lab here on site and analyze to be sure it's gluten-free. We are working together with Kymbria for many years, and I would describe this as trustful and very successful. We need no support, it's beautiful. We installed some machines and they are running the most of the time in the year without any problems. So more or less we made some successful trials together. We bought these machines and everything is running well. So best situation for a customer. The performance of the brain is unbelievable. We use the brain in the past with very terrible raw material, with a very high husk content. And the difference between a shelled and unshelled kernel is not very big, but the brain is able to separate unshelled kernels perfect from shelled kernels without losing any amount of yield. Comparable with the past, it's unbelievable. I'm sure that the optical sorters are an important part of our successful story.